ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Yesterday we saw the meaning of Ishavasyam idam sarvam. Now we are going to enter into Tika. Vyakhyayam uktva pratipadam vyachaste. Having explained the Vyakhyaya, now each pada Vyakhya is done. Pratipadam vyachaste. So Vyakhayatvam uktva. Vyakhayatva means what is to be expounded, that is already said. Jiva Brahma Aikya or Atma Yathatmya or Atmanah Karmasu Aviniyoga. All these in general he said. Anubandha Chatushta he said. Now every pada of that mantra is being said. Bhashya ईशावास्यम इत्यादि. ईशा ईष्ट इति ईट तेन ईशा. ईष्ट मीन्स ईष्टे. ईष्टे इति ईट. ईट is the shabda as is explained in the Tika. Tena Isha, by that. So in Tika you see now. Isha, Aishwarya. Isha dhatu is for Aishwarya. First line in Tika. Yes. After that Vyakhyayam. Isha Aishwarya. This is the dhatu. Asya dhatu ho kvipi lupte. So dhatu, when it has to be used for shabda, sanya, then what they do? In dhatu they apply kvip pratyaya. Kvip pratyaya is sarva avayava lopaha. All the avayavas will go. Ka, va, I, pa is kvip. Kvipi means when you want to use pratyaya, then you have to say saptami of that. So kvipi. Kvipi lupte. So pakara lopa halantyam. It sanya. Kakara lopa lashakvatadhite. And E is for Ucharanartha. And also there is a lopa. So like that, kvipi, everything will become lupta. And dhatu will become sanya, pratipadika. In that pratipadika, kridanta rupa is eat. Eat, tritiya ekvachanam will become isha. Eat, ishau, ishaha. Like that. Eat, ishau, ishaha. Then isham, ishau, ishaha. Isha. Tritiya ekvachanam will become isha. Isha vasyam. Isha, if you want to say by Atma, so Isha equivalent is Atmana. If you want to say Bhagavan, then Bhagavata. So Isha Vasyam. आत्मना वास्यम, भगवता वास्यम. Instead of Bhagavan, if you want to use Brahma, then Brahmana Vasyam. And instead of Brahma, if you want to use Aham, because Aham is Brahma, Aham Brahma Asmi. So then Maya Vasyam, Idam Sarvam. All this is pervaded by me. Which me? Not this me, the me which is free from, we don't have to say that, because it is this only. This me, but devoid of Panchakosha or Shariratraya, any upadhi. So I have to, when I do dhyanam, etc., then I have to think of myself, but not think of the Sharira, not think of mind, not think of Buddhi. That me. In this way you think. Which I am talking about, I without upadhi. So upadhi, if it comes to my mind, you say, no, not this, not neti, you remove that. Any other identity, I as karta, I as bhokta, I as related to somebody, or native of Kutia number 16, I say, no, not this. This is not who I am. By that, idam sarvam is not vyaptam. Maya means which is not this sopadhika, nirupadhika maya, in this way. So, eat. Tena means Isha. Further in Tika. So, Tritiya Ekvachanam is Isha. Nanu Kartari Kvip Vidhanat Paramatmanascha Avikriyatvat Katham Kvibanta Shabdavachyata iti. Kartari, sutra is Kartari Krit. Karta, in that he will have Krit Pratyaya. So if you say Ish Shabda is for Aishwarya. Aishwarya means the one who is ruling over, who has Ishana Kartritvam. Only that will become Karta. Ishana Karta. The one who governs, rules. Only there Ishana Kartritva is possible. So, Paramatma is avikari. The one who does shasanam has to become vikari, or karta is going to be vikari. The one who is karta of any karma. Like if I just do speaking karma, then also I will be vikari. Because after 2 pravachans, shanti. So vikara is there. If you walk 1 hour, vikara, you will become tired, like that. So karta is always vikari and Paramatma is avikari. How Paramatma can become karta? Katham kvibanta shabdavachyata. How you will put kvip pratyaya in isha and make it karta? So tatraha ishita in bhashya. Ishita Parameshwaraha Paramatma Sarvasya. Ishita means Ishana Karta. Ishitru. Ishitru Shabda Prathama Ekvachan will become Ishita. But you see, Ishita is said Parameshwaraha Sarvasya Paramatma. He is the Lord of all. Sahi Sarvam Ishte Sarvajantunam San Pratyagatmataya. Saha hi sarvam ishte. Ishte means Ishanam karoti, the one who is doing shasanam. Ishte. The one who does Shasanam is Parameshwaraha, Paramatma, Ishana Karta. Sarvajantuna Atma San Pratyagatmataya. How he is doing Ishanam? As Pratyagatma of all. So, I am that who is Pratyagatma of all. In this way I have to think. I am Pratyagatma of all. 1 number Tippani says Pratyagatma Pratyak Rupatvat. Pratyaktvam means Antaratvam. I am Antara in all. Pratyagatma in all. In your book, Pratyagatma Taya is there or Pratyagatma Tapaya is there? Okay. Tamaya. If some other letter is there, then you remove that. Tamaya, ma remove that. Yeah. Pratyagatma Taya, not Pratyagatma Tamaya. Tena स्वरूपेण आत्मना ईशा तेन स्वरूपेण आत्मना ईशा वास्यम आच्छादनीयम. Vijayalakshmi, mute. Tena svena rupena atmana isha vasyam. By that isha vasyam. Vasyam means achchadaniyam. Now you see in Tika. मायोपाधेः ईशन कर्तृत्व संभवात्. माया उपाधिक ईश्वर कैन बिकम ईशन कर्ता, ईशन शासन. निरुपाधिक ब्रह्म कैन नॉट डू ईशन. बट not avidya upadhi, maya upadhi. So, I as Shuddha Brahma, I may not be Ishana Karta. Because Isha Sabda is there. But if you just understand, without Ishana Karta, I still pervade all, that is perfectly okay. Some other question will come, which will be addressed now. मायोपाधेर ईशन कर्तृत्व संभवात क्विबंत शब्दवाच्यता न विरुद्यते. सो यू कैन यूज क्विब प्रत्यय एंड क्रिएट ईश शब्द फ्रॉम ऐश्वर्य धातु एंड देन ईशा शब्द विल बी वैलिड. निरुपाधिकस्य च लक्ष्यत्वं भविष्यति इत्यर्थः. देन निरुपाधिक ब्रह्म इज द लक्ष्यार्थ ऑफ दिस ईश शब्द. सी टिप्पणी नंबर 4. मायिनं तु महेश्वरम इति श्रुतिम अनुसंधाय परमेश्वर पद स्वारस्येन आह मायोपाधेः इति. माया यस्य उपाधिः तस्य मायोपाधेः. मायिनं तु महेश्वरम. दिस श्रुति इज फ्रॉम विच उपनिषद? श्वेताश्वतर उपनिषद. मायिनं तु महेश्वरम. दिस श्रुति इज देयर. मायां तु प्रकृतिम विद्यात्. मायिनं तु महेश्वरम. श्रुतिम अनुसंधाय परमेश्वर पद स्वारस्येन. स्वारस्य मीन्स that is where I have rasa. That is what gives me joy. Is called swarasya. Swarasya means this is my desired thing. I want to give Parmeshwara Pada. Parmeshwara Pada Swarasya na. Why? Because Mayopadhi. So it is already said, Mayinam tu Maheshwaram. That Maheshwara is Parameshwara. Or Maheshwara is Maha, Mahansya Sau, Ishwarasya. So that Ishwara Shabda is already there in Maheshwara. मायोपाधेः इति. मायोपाधे मीन्स माया उपाधि यस्य सः मायोपाधि तस्य मायोपाधेः. माया is the upadhi. Maya upadhi yasya saha mayopadhi. That person is called mayopadhi. Maya is his upadhi. Next, 5 number टिप्पणी. ननु याथात्म्य प्रतिपादकस्य मंत्रस्य कुतः सोपाधि परता इति अतः. याथात्म्य प्रतिपादक मंत्र you said it has to be nirupadhika. How it is sopadhika? Kutah sopadhi parata. Because to explain the word isha you say mayopadhi, then your original goal was to explain atma yathatmya. Atma yathatmya is without upadhi. Then how you will say mayopadhi? You will say is lakshyasya tatparya vishayata. Use that and use it for lakshyartha. Means mantra says ishavasyam, but you have to understand mayopadhi ishvara. That is the vachyartha. By that jagat is vyapta. So ishavasyam achhadaniyam. My attention should go to lakshyartha of that by which all this is to be achhadaniyam. Those who are new students, pay more attention. This is not a straightforward thing. Okay. Ishavasya Upanishad, the idea is little not very clear. Okay. So pay attention. Upanishad should talk about Nirguna Brahma because that is the goal. When it is said Atma Yathatmya means I should know myself as Nirupadhika. Okay. Isha Shabda is possible only when there is Upadhi, because you have to do Shasanam. There will be some Vikara. So you have to use Sopadhika. Vikara will not be in Chaitanya. Vikara will be in Upadhi. But because they are together, so we understand Vikari Ishana Karta. But that is Vachyartha. Now what is Vachyartha and Lakshyartha? आपको स्पष्ट है? Vachyartha and Lakshyartha means those who are attending Tarka Sangra, they already know now what is Vachyartha and Lakshyartha. Vachyartha, when I say in Ganga there is a village. So the village is not in Ganga. Village is on the bank of Ganga. Ganga tire Ghoshaha vartate. Ghosha means a small village. Gangayam Ghoshaha. So what we have to understand is, when somebody says the village is in Ganga, means the village is at the bank of Ganga, not where the flowing water is. This is called Lakshyartha. Like this, I have to use Lakshyartha of Isha or Brahma. Sopadhika Brahma is there, Vachyartha. Nirupadhika Brahma is Lakshyartha. So mantra says by Isha everything should be pervaded. Sopadhika Brahma. But my attention should go to Nirupadhika Brahma, because this is where the Phala Shruti, whatever is the result spoken in the Shruti, that result I will get only if I understand Nirupadhika Brahma. Sopadik Brahma will not remove Ajnanam. Therefore, Sopadik Brahma Jnanam will not give moksha. Is this clear to everybody? Some of it will be repeated again, so ideas will become clear. So Tippanikar has taken effort to make some of these things more clear. So Nirupadikasya cha lakshyatvam. Nirupadik will become lakshya. Like a arrow, if it is there, right? Arrow is here with me, but my lakshya is somewhere else. That is my goal. So I want to take this arrow, but I want to make sure it hits there. Like that, this Shabda has a Shakti. And with that Shakti, I have to point to Lakshana. What is Lakshana? In Tarka Sangraha, what is the definition? Yes. Without opening Tarka Sangraha book, now you can answer. शक्य संबंधः लक्षणा. शक्य संबंधो लक्षणा. We just saw yesterday or maybe day before. Okay. Further in टीका. ईशित्री ईशितव्य भावेन तर्हि भेदः प्राप्त इत्याशंक्याः. Now another question is, if you say Paramatma is controller, Ishana Karta, so he will be Ishitra, then rest of the people will become Ishitavya. So now you have Dvaitam. You have somebody who is Ishana Karta, and then everybody else is Ishitavya. Ishitra Ishitavya Bhavena Tarhi Bhedaha Prapta. Bheda means Dvaitam. In 6 number and 7 number tippani. Ishitavya Ishitur Bhidyate. The one who is controlled has to be different from the one who is the controller. Ishitra. So Ishituhu is 6th case. Ishitavya Ishitur Bhidyate. Raja and Praja. Bheda is there. Employer, employee, bheda is there. Ishitavyatvat, Raja Bhinna Prajadivat. There you go, Anumanam. What is Sadhya in this? Ishitur Vidyate. So, Ishitur Vidyate means Ishituhu Bhedatva Vidyate. Paksha is Ishitavya. Hetu is also Ishitavya. Ishitavyatvat means Ishitavya. So, Paksha and Hetu. What is Paksha? आपके तर्क संग्रह वहाँ चल नहीं चल रहा. ईशितव्य हेतु इज ईशितव्यत्वम. So they are different. Paksha is ईशितव्यः. Hetu is ईशितव्यत्वम. Like घटः घटत्वम. They are different. दृष्टांत is राज भिन्न प्रजादिवत. राज भिन्न प्रजा is ईशिता और ईशितव्य. राज भिन्न प्रजा is ईशितव्य. Praja is something which is controlled. Praja is something which is controlled. You can close that door. If just at least some. Bas, bas, bas. So, just as Raja is different from Praja, Ishita will be different from Ishitavya. So, this Bheda is there, then your Aikatmya Paratvam is gone. Gatam Aikatmya Paratvam mantrasya. So, answer is given in Bhashya. First line. Sarvajantunam Atma San Pratyagatmataya. He is the self of all. So it is not that there is Bheda. If it was different entity and everybody is different, then there is Bheda. But here he is Atma of all. So there is no Bheda. Drishtanta is given in Tika. Yatha adarshadishu pratibimbanam atma san bimbabhuto devadatta ईशिता भवति तथा कल्पित भेदेन ईशित्र ईशितव्य भाव संभवात् न वास्तव भेदानुमानम संभवति इत्यर्थः. आदर्श मीन्स मिरर. In mirror, if there is reflection, so one Devadatta is there. Let's say so many mirrors are there. In each mirror, my reflection will be there. So this Bheda, if somebody will ask, in the room, how many people are there? One Devadatta, 10 reflections of Devadatta. How many people are there? One. But Kalpita Bheda is there. So Devadatta is setting his thing, whatever he wants to do, his clothes, etc. Mundanam, based on his pratibimba. Aneka pratibimba. So, adarshadishu pratibimbanam atma san, Devadatta is atma of all those pratibimba. Means because of Devadatta's existence, pratibimba is existing. If Devadatta was not there, Pratibimba could not exist. That is called Devadatta is Atma of Pratibimba. In this way, when it is said, I am Atma of all, so how will we understand? Because of I, the Chaitanya, Atma, all are there. All means all Nama Rupa, which are Kalpita. So you say, no, this student is existing because I am existing. That student is existing because I am existing. That cow is there. So which I, if I forget, then this Vakya will lose its Mahatva, importance. I means Nirupadhika I only. Because of that, all are existing. Therefore, I am their Atma. So, all other entities, so-called other, they are like Pratibimba Sthaniya. And I, the Chaitanya, am Bimba Sthaniya. I am Bimba like, they all are Pratibimba like. Then only this statement is valid. So when I say I am Bimba and all are Pratibimba, in all, this Namarupa is also included. This Namarupa is also in all, in Pratibimba. This is not included in Bimba. Clear? Understood or not? This means no, when we say Bimba means Shuddha Chaitanya. When we say Pratibimba means all Upadhi. This is how he works.
Bimba is also included in the Bimba.
In Drishtanta, you say Devadatta is here, Devadatta is here, right? But the Pratibimba Devadatta is different. and Bimba Devadatta is different. Because if you remove Adarsha, what will go? Bimba or Pratibimba? Only Pratibimba will go away. Bimba will remain as is. So you have to show clear distinction between Bimba and Pratibimba. So Bimba means Shuddha Chaitanya, Sat Chit Ananda. Pratibimba means all upadhis which are Nama Rupa. Pratibimba will have Mithyatva. Bimba will be Satya. Satya and Mithya. Bimba is Satya, Pratibimba is Mithya. By Satya, all Mithya Vastu is Vasyam. Pratibimbanam Atma San Bimbabhuto Devadatta Ishita. That Devadatta can become Ishita Bhavati. तथा कल्पित भेदेन ईशित्र ईशितव्य भाव संभवात. By कल्पित भेद द्वैतम is possible. Like in Swapna, in my dream I see so many people, so many things happening. All this is kalpita dvaita. Really there is no bheda. Nobody else is there. Only I am imagining everything. ईशित्र ईशितव्य भाव संभवा न वास्तव भेद अनुमानम संभवति. So the वास्तविक भेद अनुमानम that we saw in 6 number tippani, right? That is not possible. वास्तव भेद अनुमानम is not possible. Here it is only काल्पनिक भेद इत्यर्थः. Further, vasa achadane. Vasa dhatu is for achadan. Now, so Isha Shabda is over. What is Isha Shabda? That was explained. Then in Isha there is Kartritva, so there has to be Vikaritva. So it was said Vikaritva is possible through Upadhi. Then the question came, if Upadhi comes, then Nirupadhikatva is questioned, because your objective was to show Atma Yathatmya. Atma Yathatmya is not Sopadhika, it is Nirupadhika only. So we said it is possible through Lakshyartha, because between Vachyartha and Lakshyartha, Upadhi, Sopadhikatva and Nirupadhikatva is there. So it is not difficult to understand that. Then the question came, there would be duality. Controller would be different, controlled will be different. So we say this Dvaitam is Kalpanika Dvaitam. So Bheda is Kalpanik, not Vastavika. So still Advaita is also there, Nirupadhikatva is also there, and what is said in the mantra, that can be understood as Ishavasyam Idam Sarvam. So that Idam appears to be there as different, but Vastavikta is, all of that is only Kalpanika Bheda. And that Sat, see in Bimba Pratibimba Drishtanta, how we understand, Bimba is on this side of the mirror, Pratibimba appears in the mirror. So there is difference, Pratibimba is here, Pratibimba is there. But in Swapna, there is no here and there concept. The whole thing is happening in the same space, right? That Swapna Desha, Swapna Kala. And in that, right there where the Swapna entity, all the objects of dream are appearing, in them the one who is giving Satta is this Jagrat Avastha Abhimani. Jagrat Avastha Abhimani, when he goes to sleep, he alone is empowering each entity in this way. So, Isha Shabda is over. Now, Vasa Achadane is Vasyam. That we will see not tomorrow, but on 6th. Okay? This class will continue under Kailash classes only. Okay? Don't go and sign in Kailash Discourses. That entity is created for the morning session, which we are going to start from 7th on Panchikaranam. Okay. So those who want, then you have to sign up there in Kailash Discourses. But all our other classes are going to continue here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavanta